Hi guys, so these lashes right here, Velour hybrid lash clusters. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me putting on these lashes. Super cute. All right guys, look at this. Look how, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. Look how cute and like, they're just super cute. Let me go in for a close-up. Okay, so as you guys can see, the close-up, cute. I love a hybrid look. I love these lashes. And the price that I got them for, like if they were the price like that all the time, I would definitely get it, but I did have points on Velour. So I got like a $10 off one from buying previous lashes that I still need to review. But I think these are like $30. Okay, so these are originally $30. I'm not sure if it's because of like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, it's showing Christmas too, why these are $15. Now, I don't know if they're like a website that constantly has deals, so I can't say this is something new that I just came across doing Black Friday deals. But for me, I got them for $15, but I already had like a $10 off with them based off my points, so I got these for like $5. So I would definitely get these for $5 without for no $30 or even $15. No, I probably would get them for $15, but I would like make sure I take care of them like a lot so that I can reuse them, because you can create them however you like. That's what's so cool about it. So I probably would get them for 15, but definitely not for 30. I really would not get them for $30. Like I wouldn't get them for $30. I just can't do it. I mean, maybe once in a blue moon, but I'm not buying no $30. I'm not, sorry. I think Kiss has spoiled me so much with cheap lashes that I'm like, I go down like, you know, they get it from the same spot, you know, so I'm not gonna pay more. So anyways, I highly do recommend, aside from all that, I do highly recommend them though. They're really cute. Like they're super cute. I love them. And since I was able to like customize it myself, I could have kept going with the mediums too, but I have a small in the inner corner. But the small ones on the inside make it just look a little more natural. So anyways, I do recommend, but the price, if you're able to do the price, I mean, it's doable, right? $30, I mean, but then again, I don't know if they have constant deals. But the good side of this though is you earn points and then you get money off. So just like I was able to get this for $5 even though it's 15. I can't remember how much I spent last time for 3 lashes, but it gave me $10 off for my next order, which I then used for that. So for $5. Even so, like, even if I did do it for like $30 and then got that $10 off, it'd be $20. But I'm not sure. This is my first time with them, so we'll see how Velour goes. We'll see if they're a company that has constant deals all the time, because then I wouldn't have a problem. But anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you if you watched this far. Stay tuned for my next video. It's gonna be Velour lashes. I cannot wait because the lashes that I picked are super cute. So I really want to see them on. So see you guys next time. Bye.